bonjour and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the February LookFantastic beauty subscription box. Is there a theme? I'm not quite sure because the box doesn't really tell you anything other than that it's a peachy spring-ish time color. So let us just dive in. Once again, a reminder for those who don't know, I live in France, so this is technically the French version, although I do believe it's pretty gosh darn much the same as the UK version. So opening up the box, we have our little booklet that says Beauty Box Edit. So I suppose the theme is Beauty Box? Or is that just a thing? I don't know. I'm new to LookFantastic. This is only my second box. So let's have a quick glance through here. So it is quite big. It's like a little magazine. Oh, it's telling me what I can find in my box, how to use it, some tips and tricks. Peach, the color of the box, represents 3 core values: appreciation, sincerity, and gratitude. So that is why they chose that. They give you 10 top books to help you feel inspired. And yeah, let's just open the box. So yeah, every month they don't really decorate the boxes like Glossy Box does every other month, but they do change their colors. And here, ooh, is what we have. I'm already seeing something that I've had before, so that's a bummer, but let's just get going with the first thing that's sticking out for me. So this is the Magn London Wipeout Swipes Eco-Friendly Makeup Remover Pads 2-pack. Removes makeup with just water. So I will say again, none of the prices are in the booklet. That frustrates me. Cool. I've gotten this like 3 months in a row now, I feel. Is it 2-pack? Oh. There's one at the bottom. I was like, I only see one. That's cute. They're different colors. So one is a bit peachy, one is a bit gray. Unlike the one I got in Birchbox last month, there's not little fluffs really flying off, but it does have that same issue where you see it's hollow in the middle. So my concern would be that while drying, some bacteria could get stuck inside. Feels super soft and nice, and I really always can use more of these. So that's great. I'm gonna use those. Never heard of this brand. Cool. Just maybe let's take a chill pill with these for the next month or two. Okay, thanks. All right, next I'm gonna take the item that I know because I already got. This is the Illamasqua Beyond Veil Primer. It's a gorgeous little jar like this. Obviously it's not full size. This is it's 6 mils, and it just comes in this really pretty, oh, wait, what? This is not like the one I have. Oh, I was wrong. This happens a lot with Glossy Box and LookFantastic. I believe they're owned by the same company, so there's a lot of overlap. So I have the clear primer that I got in Glossy Box for November, I believe. This is a illuminating one, a skin glowing gel, but it says Veil Primer in the booklet. That's why I got confused. Oh, that's cool. So this one, yeah, has lots of little glowy shimmers in it. Pleasantly surprised. All right. So that's different. That's good. That's a little bit strange. But Illamasqua is a wonderful brand. Yes, this is a sample, but it's a really good size. I've been using the other primer. I've used it several times already, and I'm only about half done the little pot. Is it the most eco-friendly packaging, especially for a small sample? No. But really good product. I really like that, so that's great. Next, I'll take out this guy. Yeah, there's 6 in LookFantastic. So I always forget there's 6 products. So this is the Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. 10 mils, obviously not full size. If it is, that's a bit strange. Triple action chemical exfoliant mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. I am all up for that. Does it smell? It smells very slightly minty, but like a fresh citrus scent, which I guess I would expect from that. Very small. I could probably use this a couple of times, maybe 3 times, so that's cool. Thanks. Next, I'll take out this guy. This is the Madara Original Madara Organic Skincare SOS Hydra Recharge Cream. What on earth is this? So this is intense moisture locking cream infused with age-defying antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. Again, it doesn't really tell me if any of these are full size. Just based on what I understand these creams to be, I would say this like a deluxe size, but cool. I have a drawer full of skincare. I like my skincare. It just smells nice and fresh. Again, all right. one, I feel quite like cool with LookFantastic. Like, take it or leave it. It's not a box I'm particularly too over the moon about yet. Does that make sense? But I still do enjoy what I get. Next, I'll take out this itty bitty little thing that I almost missed because it's so gosh darn small and it was stuck in all of the little papers. Let me just open up the packaging here. Okay, so this is the Ico Galactic Lid Gloss, and there's two shades. There's Stardust, which is silver, and I got Zodiac, which is this bronzy color. I've never heard of this product from Eyeko. I'm very, very curious. And it kind of just looks like a glitter paste, but it says lid gloss. Oh my god, the sparkle. Oh, but it feels like water. Oh my god, that is stunning. I want to put it all over my face. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I even lost my voice talking about it. This is gorgeous. Wow, like that is shimmery and it feels so soft. You'll definitely need to give it a minute to let it dry down, but oh my goodness. Cool. Can't even see it on the black background. Cool. Very excited about that. Now I'm curious as to the silver. I think this one will suit me a little bit better. It's a bit rose goldish. Definitely as well be cautious how much you spread it because I see that it has the potential to be patchy. We don't want that. So yeah, awesome. And then last, maybe not least, the packaging looks amazing, so I'm curious about it. I know the brand. So this is by Bubble Tea, and it's a strawberry macaroon body butter. Now, I've spoken pretty adamantly about this before. I really don't like getting body creams in general. I feel like they always last 10 million years. I don't need more than 1 or 2 a year. I'm not a crazy person, not a crazy person, but I'm not a crazy hand cream person, things like that. It's not something I do religiously on my face, yes, but on my body, I'm not really at all fussed. But I will say, this packaging is incredible. It is, I love the style of the tube, I love the cap, the colors, the polka dots, all the graphic design aspect of it is stunning. Soothe and nourish with this uplifting, I love strawberry, so I can only imagine how good it smells. Oh, that's something straight out of my childhood that just punched me in the face. Oh my god, okay, I take back what I said. I will make an exception for this product. This smells freaking unbelievable. I don't know if anybody knows what I'm talking about, and possibly how would you, but when I was a kid, my mom got me, it was like this plastic bracelet, but it had a pink little bubblegum lip balm in it, and it smells just like this. It smells just like my childhood. So I'm actually super excited about this, and I'm gonna be using that a lot and keeping that in close proximity to me for very long periods of time. Yes, so awesome. All right, what do we think of the February box? Look, it's a good box. I think I'm just at the point where I have, how many subscriptions do I have? 5, 4, 6? Too many. It's not one that I'm excited for. Yes, it's only my 2nd month, but at the same time, I could take it or leave it. If I didn't have any of these things, I wouldn't be sad about it, you know what I mean? If I checked previous month's box and I saw this, I wouldn't be oh no, I should have gotten that box. No, I would have been oh, some products are cool. Whereas something like Glossy Box, yeah, I'd be why didn't I get it? You know? So it's nice. It's what I say a lot with some of my boxes. It's not bad at all. It's a really good box, but I'm just at the point where I have so many, this is not unique enough for me. The products are not special enough for me. They're really, really great products, but I already have something very similar or the same, or just I don't need this stuff. Have a bunch of these, could always use more, yes. This is really the most unique product that I gloss. Illamasqua got something basically the same product but a different finish before. Again, thanks, but I have a lot of primer. A mask. Yeah, it's tiny. Cream. I have still a lot of creams from all my other boxes. And this hand cream, again, Specifically this one I love, but in general, I really don't need or care for more body hand creams. So is there anything really that I'm like, oh my God, thank God I got this box? No, there's not. So yeah, that's how I feel. It's a really good one. If you don't have any other ones, this is definitely a nice box to have. Over glossy box? No. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. That's all I can say. I'm not bummed about this, but this month is not making me like super eager for the next month. Do you know what I mean? It's kind of like, maybe that's enough. Maybe that's enough. Maybe it's time to say goodbye. It's just unnecessary money for me based on what I'm getting. Other boxes, I feel like I get really fun, unique, different stuff that maybe I wouldn't know of or know to try. Do you know what I mean? Here it's kind of like I either have it, something similar, it's nothing innovative, it's not like things I would reach for to buy myself had I known better. Does that make sense? Probably not. There's a lot going on in my head. But whatever the value of the box, even if the value is like so much more than what I pay for it, I would rather have that money and maybe just buy one nice thing at Sephora or Make Revolution or wherever it is that I go shopping. So yeah, I'm just not too fussed with LookFantastic. It's a bit of a letdown. It's a bit of a letdown this month. However, really nice packaging, comes pretty quickly after it is shipped. There you go. There you have it. That was LookFantastic for February. It was nice. That's all I can say. It was okay. It was a good box, good standard normal box. Nothing crazy, nothing too special. Just meh, if I'm being quite frank. Very solidly okay. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you haven't already, definitely please subscribe to my channel because I would really love to have you along on this journey with me, and I have lots of fun, exciting videos coming up, and I say that every time, but I actually have lots of fun and exciting new different videos coming up. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!